Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I've partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100, I've personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k totally for free. So definitely worth checking out. A big opportunity for those who maybe don't have enough funds to get into the market, or they don't want to risk their own capital. They will give you this position for free. You don't even have to use the $100 that you deposit. You just need to deposit it so you can claim the airdrop and then use it. Very interesting, so make sure to go and sign up to that below. Taking a quick look at Polygon here, then, as we can see, really not that much to report. Over the past few weeks, going sideways, very low volume, very low interest. Pretty much going sideways in a bit of a range, like you can see here. You can see quite clearly that we have basically just we've come down, we made this low, we've got a bit of a high here with this big deviation, Burj Khalifa type price action outside of this downtrend resistance, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as we saw for all of our altcoins. The break to the upside, we come back inside, resistance, and now we're at support again, looking for a bounce really in this area. Big area of demand, really small amount of supply at this area. We are near the bear market range low overall, as well, as you can see, in a big area of demand here, I would say, and very likely, in my opinion, to be having a move to the upside soon. Obviously, we haven't seen any moves yet, but you can obviously see when people do start to feel like Polygon's about to move up, that we do have these big moves to the upside, big green candles. Really very little interest in Polygon over the past month, and I think that will probably change soon. Not that much to report though, other than the fact that Bitcoin very much looking like it's going to break to the upside soon. As you can see here, we've cleanly broken out of our downtrend resistance, in my opinion, the one that we keep retesting over and over. You could argue that the resistance looks like this, which I would probably accept, but I did actually draw this from the original tap, as you can see here. So we are technically looking at a little bit of a breakout, I would say. Anyways, you can see obviously looking like it's very much deciding to head back to the upside, and in the process looking like it's on the verge of breaking out or breaking out of that resistance area. And you can see Polygon probably geared up, waiting basically for Bitcoin to make the move in the market so we can see some movement for it, because to be honest, it's been just going sideways and not doing too much. So make sure to sign up to ByBit and get a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more.